Hello class 9 student, welcome back to our online classes of Small Wonder Secondary School. As you all know that I am your science teacher Mrs. Sangeeta Pawar, and today I am going to teach you a next part of natural resources. So student, in our previous video we learnt about what is natural resources and what is the importance of air in our life and why life is sustained only on the earth. And today I am going to teach you about the movement of the air, activity related to the air and what is wind. So let's come with me and open your book and take one pencil with you. Alright student, so mark important point and underline your important notes, and you got 17 marks from this chapter. Okay. So first we discuss about the movement of the air, means wind. We have all felt the relief brought by cool evening breeze after a hot day. Alright, during the summer season, alright, we feel very hot during the whole day, and evening when the night is cool down, then we feeling very well and pleasant and breeze like a wind. Okay, so sometime we are luckily enough to get rain after some day of really hot weather. What caused the movement of the air, and what we call the movement of the air, we call a moving air is a wind. Okay, so the movement is very pleasant, so we call the breeze. If the movement is high, then we call the storms and they convert into the cyclone. Okay, तो जैसे जैसे विंड की स्पीड बढ़ती है उसके नेम्स भी क्या होते हैं, चेंजेस आते हैं, बट कॉमनली द मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर वी कॉल विंड. ऑलराइट, what cause the movement of air and what decide whether this movement will be in the form of gentle breeze, a strong wind or terrible storms. What bring us the become rain और बारिश क्यों हुई? All these phenomena are result of the change that take place in our atmosphere due to the heating of the air and formation of water vapor. Okay, so underline why the movement of the air will be happen pleasant, or the movement of air is a strong wind, or the storm by the phenomena is a result of the change that take place in our atmosphere due to heating of air and formation of water vapor. Alright students, so underline these 4 lines. Water vapor is formed due to the heating of water bodies and these activities of living organisms. The atmosphere can be heated by below by the radiation that is reflect back and re-radiate by the land and the water bodies. Alright students, so in this day timing when the sunlight is reflected, some rays reflect, go back to the atmosphere, and this reflect light is causes of the heating of the earth or our surrounding. Alright, so on being heating, conversion and current are set up of the air. In order to gain some understanding of the nature of the conservation current, let's perform the following activities. Okay. Place a candle in a beaker or wide-mouthed bottle or light it. Okay, we are taking a beaker or jar or any of the glass substance and put candle in between the beaker. Alright, and stick with the instant stick. Which way does the smoke flow when the instant stick is kept in the little above the candle? Okay, so in which direction? Okay, जिस तरफ से smoke move करेगा, so we say that the air is moving from right to left or left to right direction. Alright, why, which way does the smoke flow when the incense stick is kept in other region? The pattern relevant by the smoke show us the direction in which hot or cold air is moved. In a similar manner, when air is heated by the radiant from the heating land or water, it rises. But since land gets heated faster than the water, and air over the land would be heated faster than the air over water body. Okay, we all know about the sea bridge and land bridge. Alright student, so during the daytime land is heated fast and cool is faster, but water is taking time to heat up and again water is taken time to cool down. Alright student, so that's why at the daytime land is easily heat up and land rises the heat air up and heat air go to the seaside, and at the sea water is not evenly fastly convert into the hot, so the cool air coming from the seasides. Alright, so if we look at this situation is the coastal region, okay, because the coastal region the land surface is near, means soil is near to the water bodies, okay, so the during time the air was above the land getting heated faster, then it start rises. As this air rises, a region is low pressure is create, the air above the sea moves from its area at the low pressure. The movement of air from one region to the another creates wind, and during the day the direction of it from the sea to the land. Alright student, so क्या हुआ कि हीट क्या सन की रेस की वजह से लैंड या सॉइल क्या हुई, जल्दी से हीट हो गई, और हीट होने की वजह से वहाँ की एयर क्या हो गई, हॉट एयर, एंड हॉट एयर इज राइजेस अपसाइड बिकॉज हॉट एयर इज वेट में क्या हो गई, लाइट वेट, तो वो क्या हो गई, अप हो गई, अप होने से लैंड पर एयर प्रेशर क्या हो गया, डाउन, एंड वी नो दैट एयर फ्लो फ्रॉम हायर प्रेशर टू लोअर प्रेशर. Where is higher pressure? Inside the water, okay, inside the water the air pressure is higher. Alright, so air pressure क्या होगा, sea की तरफ ज्यादा होगा, तो sea से cool air किस तरफ आएगी, land की तरफ, and land से higher low pressure वाली air किस तरफ जाएगी, sea की तरफ. So the direction of wind is sea to land during the daytime, and opposite to the night time, water is heated in the night time, so it take a time to cool down, so here hot air is coming from the sea to the land, okay, so at the night time the higher pressure is present on the land surface, so what air is transferred from the land to the sea. Alright, so at the night both land and sea start to cool, since water cool down slower than the land and air above the water would be warmer. So the appear to the area of low and high pressure is coastal area at the night. Where is the lower pressure? At the night lower pressure in the sea water. Alright, and the direction of water is land to sea. Alright. Similarly, all the movement of air result in diverging atmospheric phenomena and caused by the uneven heating of atmosphere in different region of the earth. Underline, all the movement of air result is diverging atmospheric phenomena caused by the uneven heating of the atmosphere. But various other factors influence that wind are rotation of the earth and presence of the mountain range in the paths of the wind are couple of these factors. We will not go into these factors in detail in this chapter, but think about this. Okay. Now what is wind? The changes in the earth atmosphere are responsible for wind, storm, breeze and rain. The formation of water vapor in the atmosphere can take place due to heating of water bodies and activities of living things. The atmosphere can heat up the earth, water bodies and land and radiate back the heat they absorb. The land get heated up or cool down faster than the water. So always remember that land heated fast and cool down fast than the water. Alright. As the air gets heated, it rises above, which leads to wind. The presence of gas around the earth prevent an increase in the temperature of earth during the daytime, and the atmosphere prevent the harmful radiation of the sun from reaching of the earth surface. Okay, so air की जो चारों तरफ ब्लैंकेट है वो harmful यानी UV rays को अर्थ पर आने से प्रोटेक्ट करती है, so the harmful rays are not reaches on the earth surface. Alright, so the atmosphere prevent the heat of the earth in escaping the earth surface during the night time, और जो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके लाइट वापस जाती है जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो उसे ट्रैप कर लेता है, और इवन नाइट के टाइम में भी हमारे अर्थ का टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो वेरी लो टेम्परेचर में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है. सो मून हैज नो एटमॉस्फेयर, hence it faces the extreme temperature range from 190 degree to 110 degree. Alright student, so question may arise, why not is life sustained on the life, and what are the reason of the temperature increasing 190 degree to 110 degree at the night. Alright student, so write your answer very neatly and very carefully. Now wind in the coastal region, during the day land is heated very fast. Alright student, so look at this picture. Wind in the coastal region during the day. Okay, what will be the happen? During the day land is heated fast. Okay, land is heated fast, so the air above the land is heat and rises to form of the area of the low pressure, because air go upside. So at the land air is very low, so we say low pressure. Okay, so we know that air always move from the higher pressure to the lower pressure, so we know that the water is taking a time to heat up. So cool and denser air above sea sink to form the area with the high pressure. Okay, so always air move from higher pressure to lower pressure. So cool air over sea blow towards the land and replacing warm air on the land, forming the sea bridge. Okay, so during the day which type of breeze is forming? Sea bridge, because air move from sea to land, so we say that sea bridge happen during the day at the coastal region. Alright, during the night, okay, air is taking land is loses heat faster than the sea at the night, and land cool down faster. Alright, but water take a time to cool down, so at the sea he loses heat very slowly, and warm air above the sea rises to form the area with the low pressure. When sea water is hot, then their air is go upside and their pressure is low. Okay, and the land loses the heat faster at the sea level, so air above the land cool and sink from the area, so we call the higher pressure. Okay, and we know that the air moves from higher pressure to lower pressure. So during night the cool air above the land blows seawards and replace warm air over the sea. Okay, so this is formed a land bridge. Alright, so when in the coastal region during night formation the land bridge, because air is moved from land to the sea. Alright student, so remember that. And some other factor that also affect the formation of the wind. Okay, so remember that and note down in your book. Alright, so uneven heating of earth's atmosphere, because at the some part day and the some part of the earth having a night, and some region are at the polar region and some are receiving maximum light on the earth. Alright, so uneven heating of earth is the main cause of the formation of the wind. Second position, earth is continuous rotate, so whenever the earth is rotate, the air is also move with the earth, so rotation also cause the wind. And the presence of mountains on the earth, which also are the reason of the formation of wind. Alright student, so here the wind topic is completed. Alright, so in our next part we discuss about the rain, how clouds it's formed. Alright, and what is the role of water as a natural resources. Alright students, so read your chapter very carefully and I hope you clearly understand this topic very well.